can you get my phone? Let me know what is keeping Kelly.
All right.
Mirabel.
Yeah?
Please get the drinks.
All right, I'm coming. I'm bringing them.
Let me get your name.
Hello, Mama. Yes, Mama. Everything is ready, as you instructed. Yes, ma'am. There.
You see, I love you is a language that is today common to everyone and in use by all, including those that do not understand what love is all about. Baby, whenever I see you, I see my wife. I see my happiness. I see my future. I love you, baby.
My love. Some people say that certain things are better left unsaid. As for me, I love you from the depths of my heart, with everything in me, even though our love is still growing.
Baby, I just wish you can open my heart and see where I kept you there in. Baby, I must say I love you. Whenever I see you, all I see is my wife. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Hi, pretty.
Hello.
My name is Paul. I just came around here to see a friend. Can I have a little of your time? We could go somewhere and then sit down and talk.
Okay, my name is Queen. And as you can see, I'm just coming back from where I went to get food for my boyfriend and I. And I don't really know what you want to talk about, but whatever it is, I think it's too early for that kind of talk, if I can read meaning from what you just said.
Well, you may be right, you know, but I just need a little of your time to pour out my mind, okay? Just want to tell you how I feel, and then it's left for you to go and sit down and take a decision. It's your will.
Mr. Paul, I've been standing here for some minutes now, waiting to get exactly what you're trying to say, but I don't seem to understand.
Pretty, what I'm saying is, since my ex-girlfriend got married, I've not seen any pretty damsel like you. Your beauty and endowment could only be gotten by a goddess. And every right-thinking man will want to have you as the mother of his children. Sweetie, I want you as a girlfriend and a wife.
Thank you very much for your compliments. But I'm sorry to disappoint you. I have a boyfriend. Yeah, and I'm not ready to double click. Do have a nice day, Mr. Paul.
Wow. Welcome.
What is happening? Is there a party here?
Honestly, I don't know. It looks like a party, right?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Hi. Oh, it's okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good. My dear, don't cry. You're welcome. Okay, we will use this, or let this serve as your welcome party and birthday party as well.
Yeah.
I planned it all for it to be a surprising package for you. It's okay. This is where we use what we have and get what you want. You see, the highest judgment you can have in your life is self-judgment. You see, in the world today, nobody is ready to help anybody without demanding for one thing or the other. Especially now that we're in a man and woman world. So what's the essence of doing that? Since you have something that you would use to activate and make... Go with that. Okay, come on. Help her with her bag. Okay. Okay.
L-I-Z-Z.
My love, like I was saying, the man stood there for like 10 minutes, battling with words to say to me. I'm telling you.
Did he finally say anything?
Okay. He said that he wants me to be his girlfriend and his wife.
Abia.
Oh my God. My damn song, my endowment, my ex-girlfriend, or just simply people things, we're just talking, I'll just start that's it. Ah,
the guy is a big fool. He's a very big fool.
I want it so sweet. Did you put sugar?
In this business, we are one. Yeah. Just be free, relax, enjoy yourself.
You love it. Trust me.
Like Mama said, you use what you have to get what you want. So just enjoy yourself. You have nothing to worry about.
No more, you enjoy it.
So just enjoy yourself. In this house, we live in one piece. So just be free. Be free with us.
It's just like your sisters.
Enjoy. It's your day.
Birthday girl.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have to run along now.
Okay.
If I'm done with what I'm rushing to do, I'll come and see you in the evening. But if otherwise, I promise to come see you first thing tomorrow morning.
All right, my love. You take very good care of yourself, okay?
You too, baby. I love you.
Love you, guys.
No. Let me start going, huh?
Yeah. Yes, I've heard you.
I'll think about it. Just expect my call. Okay.
Babe. Babe. Who was that?
Was it not one stupid guy like that I met at the bar the other day? Eh? The guy kept disturbing me.
Babe, I don't understand you. It's not just to carry your machine to me and let him slot his ATM card inside.
Before uncle, who they form relationship? Eh? We are into real things, not into relationships. Okay? Yes. Men will go bring the real thing.
Hey, that reminds me. How about the other guy that was talking to you? Who be that? Same to you that night.
That maga.
Because as I dey look am, I dey see money for him.
I dey tell you, I will suck and die.
I trust you.
He says that once the business matures, that we're going to pack out of this one-room apartment.
Condition the mama condition that the room. That's a normal thing. So what is holding the business from maturing?
I don't know for him, serious. All I know is that I hope and pray that one day things will get back to normal.
That's a normal thing anybody wishes for. But you see this your miserable husband. Honestly, I don't pity him. This is a frustrated husband. I pray he suffers. I want him to suffer. So that when somebody will now decide to help, I'll appreciate it.
My sister, you're talking as if you don't know my husband. You don't even know Bonnie. Bonnie is a principled man. And he cannot do anything to compromise his faith.
Oh, he must be or principle or poverty. Oh, I can't. But anyway, it's enough. I have to start going.
My life, Mama. How far now? You're not talking. Mama, talk to me. Mommy, talk to me now.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, fine girl. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
Welcome, my dear.
Yeah? This girl, will you wear pants?
How can she not wear pants now?
You see, you can't just... Who is she?
She's one of our neighbors, though. She's a tenant here. But a hustler. Huh. The only thing that girl is very humble. But she keeps to herself.
Why won't she keep to herself? Will you keep to herself?
Hey, you can never change.
I'm not changing. But you say she's a hustler.
I tell you.
Hey, hustler meeting hustlings. Or what is the hustling? I will do business with this girl.
Business?
Oh.
You.
Hey!
This is my friend, eh? She won't kill me, I beg. Oh.
Babe, please stop crying, okay? Your tears will never bring your mom back to life. She is gone and she is gone. What you have to do now is to pay her her last respect and continue with your life. Okay? Please.
Please, Doris is right.
You have to stop crying. Seriously, you have to stop. You are even lucky you experienced mother's care. What about me? I lost my mother when I was just 1. And I'm still here. I'm still here now. Stop crying now. Don't do.
It's okay. Just stop crying. Look at your face now. You will hurt yourself. You will hurt yourself. It's okay. Just stop. I understand. I know it's not easy, but you just have to stop, okay? Take it easy now, It's okay.
Stop crying, okay?
My mama don't die. I know they cry again.
You have come down. It's okay now. You said.
Oh, be my mother.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, it's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, be my mother.
It's enough. You will hurt yourself.
Okay.
Stop now.
Please, you don't do now.
Let us just cry it out.
Babe, I don't get mama and I know they cry. I dey cry. Don't do now.
Queen!
Auntie.
Please come on.
Auntie, you called me.
Yes. Sit down.
Okay.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
You remember that lady you saw me with?
The fair lady.
Yes, the fair lady.
Yes, I remember.
She says she likes you and would like to have words with you.
Auntie, I don't understand.
Queen, what don't you understand? She said she likes you and would like you to work for her and get paid if you are interested.
Izioku. Auntie, hey, I'm interested.
Queen.
As long as money is involved, I'm interested.
Queen.
She's going to pay me more than I earn every month. I'm interested.
You have not even asked to know what type of job you want to do, and you're already interested. Eh?
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and we show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I'm waiting with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us. When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lee Wins in one love. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. He buy, somebody verbal. Someone knocking on my door, weeks, no lever. You think the phone boss for your pockets. There is God up, listen the screamer. Watch it, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want to try. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and we show to the highest.
into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things, I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I'm waiting with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us.
When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lee's in one love. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. He buy, somebody verbal. Someone knocking on my door, weeks, no lever. You still the front bus for your pockets. There is God, listen the screamer. Watch it, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want to try me, make you know something. Listen the pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make her follow your way.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them.
Chief. Yeah. My chief.
My baby.
It's my turn now. Yes, chief.
Yes. Okay.
Oh yeah, it's your turn, girl. I'll be outside. Alright.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things, I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I'm waiting with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us.
Okay.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things, I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Them say I'm waiting with big dreams. Them say I no fit, but I get hope. We dey go every show, we dey crew them up. Bad man them, they won't see us fall. We never enter prison, then they bail us. Anywhere where we go, then they hail us.
When I wanna flow, everybody know. This is in the club, Lee's in one love. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. It's a bad boy, give me bad instrumental. He buy, somebody verbal. Someone knocking on my door, weeks, no lever. You still the front bus for your pockets. There is God, listen the screamer. Watch it, I've been watching the man, I'm little dirty. If you want to try me, make you know something. Listen the pop something for the NYC. Mama tell me what you dream, mama follow your way. Mama tell me what you dream, make her follow your way.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. Now we be the baddest. We the kill and the show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we don't run them. YFG the baddest. Now we be the baddest. I dey rap, I dey sing, I dey come MC. I dey go on the show, I dey fuck plenty. I dey go on the club, I dey pop something. Baby girl, small me, go I got something. I dey go anywhere, I dey pack plenty. The road, shake or see. Kilo for emergency. Now we be the baddest. See. I dey get money for anywhere. I dey go any place, I dey go anywhere.
The person that gave you my contact must be a client that I supplied beautiful goods to.
Oh yeah, he said a lot about you. Especially the fact that you don't disappoint. And your goods, ooh, They are always fresh and sound. Oh yeah.
Give you the right information. You see, my goods are well tested and delivered on time. In fact, as a matter of fact, in this state, I am the best.
Lady K, by your words, I am so convinced.
Just a little trial, my dear. You will be more convinced.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Well, as you can see, I just returned to the country. And I want to have a lot of fun for the time I'm going to be around. Lady K, I need a machine to work on me. Not just any machine. German machine. And not Chinese. Oh no, go. That's what I want. You know what I mean?
Yes. In fact, I will give you
That's what's up, Mama K.
I'm telling you.
Damn.
You will get a German machine. But looking at you, Kese Kwado.
You know what I mean?
Kese Donyeka
You know how I roll.
Aye.
Oh yeah?
I will give you a UK product that is well tested. That will be delivered directly to you.
Awesome.
International
Lady K.
I'm telling you.
Damn. They told me a lot about you, but they didn't say you're so crazy. You're off the hook.
I am more than crazy. But I want to ask, is it who you I want to?
Lady K, look. We'll roll slowly, you know what I mean?
Okay, one.
Yeah. I roll with the first one, and then we'll go down hard on the rest. Damn, I love this lady. I love you so much. You know what? Let's start celebrating. Barman, what you want to drink? I do champagne. Let's pop a little.
No. I can't do it now.
Why? What's wrong, Lady K? Look, I came back home with a lot of money. And let's start burning it right now. Why are you afraid of money? Come on, Lady K.
I am funding myself.
That's what's up.
No. Yeah, will deliver.
Go girl, yes, go Betty, go Betty, go Betty, go Betty, roll it, shake that thing your mama gave to you.
Wow.
Beautiful. These ones you guys are carrying back. It's obvious that we're good this.
Yeah. Chief really made our day.
Wait. Are you trying to say that Chief got all these goodies for you guys?
Yes, that man is such a nice fellow.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Why madam no carry me pass to this chief now?
Hey boy, this one
No, you don't say you don't like to do advancement. You don't see gifts that you want change that you level.
Man, my luck just shine today for the past 1 month. It has been all these young boys now. Who cares about the position and the styles you give to them? Man, thank God today, my luck shine.
I should call you a woman. Because you have everything it takes to be called a woman. Do you know, my dear, that you can single-handedly unseat the Senate President of this country? Do you know why? Because you have a Coca-Cola bottle shape. A shape to die for. Tall, above 5 feet. Have a beautiful, clean skin. Tell me, which man will see this body and won't die for it? See, that's why I want you and I to go into business. A lucrative business that will give us huge money. Trust me, big money.
Wow, thank you very much. Thanks for all the compliments. But, Ma, please, what kind of business is that?
This is one.
That's what fits me. That should fit. See, don't try me.
Hell, go on.
Whoa! Look who we have here.
How was it?
How was Valeria now?
It was fine. The most important thing is that my mother has been buried.
Yeah, true. Belle. Sorry, dear.
Okay. Is there anything in this house? I'm very, very hungry. I'm very, very hungry.
As if our kitchen has been shifted to Ojota. I better go inside, go find what you go eat.
Come back. Wait, come back. Now this thing you wear go bury.
I said, shut your mouth. Don't you respect yourself, see? Oh, anyway, I think.
You've talked about these girls for so long. How do you get to them? I mean, their contacts.
Oma, I told you I was born in the street. I grew up in the street. I passed through this street and allowed the street to pass through. Oma, just give me 2 days in the city. I will find out where good things are happening.
Yeah, now. Okay, Oma. You talk too much. Remember, that is why you lost the last local government election.
Who cares? Now tell me, the person sitting there as the local government chairman today, is he more comfortable than I am? Tell me.
You're blessed. Agreed. You're blessed. Are you ready to link me up?
Yes, on one condition. Which is? Story for another day. Drink, my friend.
Sit down. Come and sit here. You give us space. You sit here. Come and sit down. Come on. Sit, everybody. Wow. Well, meet my girls. Girls, you all meet Queen.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've told her what she needs to know about the kind of business we do.
Okay, ma'am.
As of the rules and regulations that guide this house, I've told her all that, and I know that she understands very well.
Yes, ma'am.
Feel comfortable. Since you're here, come and meet me now. Let me not tell you what to do.
Okay, come on.
Come to that. You know what to do, I shouldn't tell you.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. Back to business. I know it's very early, but are you a virgin?
Does it have anything to do with the business?
Must you know before you provide an answer?
No, I'm not.
Good. You see?
This business is very simple and pure.
Yeah.
use what you have to get what you want. No emotional attachments. You don't give numbers. You don't give anyone your address. And you must do exactly what they ask you to do. But don't kill yourself. Okay? Good. So, feel free.
Wah, wah, wah. That's right. Hey, come on. Whoa. Wow. Lady K, you are a woman of your words. How you doing, darling? Come here, baby. Damn. Girl, you got goodies. Showtime, baby. Yo, Lady K, and look, listen, all right? I paid you money. I gotta get the value for what I paid for. All right, don't mess with me, girl. Don't mess with me. Send that girl to come back here right now. What nonsense? Is that how you do business?
She's just like a lady. I must confess, she's so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm truly for my clothes.
So beautiful. Babes, she's on point.
My dear, she appears to me like a great girl. I don't know what you girls are saying.
Listen,
Welcome.
Hafana. How you Wakana?
What's happened? Why your face be like this?
What's happened?
What is your problem?
Talk,
This
man.
one you're not talking to anybody. Are you okay?
What's happened?
Lizzie. Elizabeth. Fight with anybody.
And where is that brat? Where is that brat? Oh, you. So you tried to make me lose dollars today. You tried to mess my customers up. Oh, yeah. Get one. Oh, just pray. Pray that Nick doesn't change his mind. Because if he does, I will seize your breath.
No, ma.
Oh, come on, will you shut that dirty trap? Have you lost your senses? Have you lost your directions? Pray.
Rubbish.
Try your mouth.
Oh,
Don't even try to have a
no, you don't try.
That's why I'm village.
That guy is a beast. He behaves like one of those in a girl for the first time.
But you know the rules of this game. Huh?
Not in this case. No courtesy, no respect at all. He wanted to go straight to the point.
My dear, you see, in this game, there is no romance. Romance is reserved for lovers. This business is like ATM machine and ATM card. It's like you slot in your ATM machine and you slot it out. Yes. So you have to be very careful so that you won't lead yourself into any problems. Okay?
You look good now.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
You have to go and get dressed now. I have an all-night journey to embark tonight. And huge sum of money is involved.
Madam, I'm ready. In fact, I'm game.
I like that. That is a language of serious-minded business people. I am game.
Yes, I'm game.
Drink up. Drink up, my dear.
Lady K, I was told abroad that you were the best. That you know this business. But you failed at an instance. What's going on?
Please, I'm so sorry. I apologize sincerely. I apologize sincerely for that disappointment. Okay, I made a mistake. You see, that girl is one of my best. It's just that she just came back from her mother's burial. I think it's the burial thing that that affected her so much. I'm sorry.
For real? You still making excuses? Now, Lady K, listen to me. Let me tell you something. Whether psychological or physical, I don't care. You're supposed to do what you're supposed to do when you're supposed to do what you're damn supposed to do. Don't give me that shit, Lady K.
Please.
No, it's not okay. It's not okay. I'm so mad at you right now.
Are you in your room? Okay, just stay there. Okay, stay put. The goods will be delivered to you right now. Okay. I want to make you happy. I'm sorry.
You better fix this. Fix this, Lady K.
Thank you.
Have you been told you're an angel? A super angel.
Well, you're just telling me. I guess after this time out, I'll know if I'm truly a super angel, like you just said.
It's gonna go well, baby.
Unproven statistics have shown that our universities produce nothing less than 100,000 graduates every year. Add that up to, let's say, 100 or 200,000 unemployed youths on the street. Then you come up with a number that will prove to you that so many of our youths are unemployed. And this country is doing nothing about it. So any job that you are doing that is putting food on your table, you should be loyal, honest, stable, and hold it tight to it. I congratulate some of you that have been so loyal with this job. I give you kudos today. Angela, my dear, could you follow me? Just 1 minute.
That I rejected dollar. Huh? He would disown me. Me reject dollar. Dollar. Yeah. Damara pankata me.
What's up? Queen of the game. Congratulations on your first trip. Babe, how was it?
It's not easy. I feel pain all over my body, especially my waist. Why are you laughing? It's not funny. My waist is on fire.
Queen, don't worry, okay? I will give you painkiller.
My dear, it's like an exercise.
Yeah.
The more you do it, the less you feel the pain. It's like an exercise.
Tell us how it went. Scene by scene. We won't know now.
Hey.
I beg. Just us, I beg you.
The rules were made clear before we began. Why did you go against the rule?
Come on, Lady K. Take a chill pill. Look, the rules can be amended if it fails to satisfy the powers that be. What am I saying in a nutshell? I was carried away. The girl blew my mind. That was a fundamental satisfaction. So I had to amend the rules. Besides, what I gave her wasn't part of our agreement. I gave her that out of my own magnanimity. Come on, Lady K. I was just being nice.
I will just take this because I failed you once. But next time, please, let's play by the rules. Yes.
You love the rules. Okay, I heard you. I ain't gonna fuck with you no more, trust me. We cool now?
The rules.
Come on, Lady K. Don't be so serious. So what's up?
Wow. Good day, ma. Good day, my dear. That's it. That's 50,000 naira. Your own share of the deal. Sit down.
Hey. Thank you very much, ma. I appreciate it. God bless you.
It's okay, my dear. I hope you read through the regulations written below. You see, there's something I see in you. You are a business-minded person. You're cool. Cool-hearted. To go far in this business, my dear, you have to follow the rules and the regulations that have been laid down already. Because if you don't, you will be dropped back on that very street where you were picked. That's just how it is. Drink up. Drink up.
Nice.
It's beautiful, right?
When I get my next bill, I'll buy this hair.
Mama, welcome back. Go in and get me a bag.
My bag?
What happened? You broke the rules.
What do you mean what happened? Listen, my village where I came from, Amono and her neighbor, Amago, we don't reject yet. Yes, not even when it's coming from an enemy. I service the man very well. And you're telling me not to collect it. Nobody, babe.
Here is not your place, okay? You broke the rules. If we must value your stay in this house, you have to be careful because her eyes are on us.
Eh? My gift.
Here.
K, there's what we call thanks for coming. Come on, just give the girl a brown envelope, that's all. There's nothing. That aside, listen, I still got 1 month to be in this country. And I need the services of Queen. Now check this out, Lady K. I'm willing to pay $20,000 brand new. It might offend you now. You know what I mean? Huh?
Just take it gently with me, you know. I am not getting younger.
Yes.
Please, we'll stop the other one now. Just do only massage.
Steve, come on. Are you saying you don't want me to give you one more?
You see, you just want to kill an old man. Jesus.
Chief.
Massage, please. Massage.
Are you sure?
Massage. Just touch this tinkling massage. Just
don't worry.
Touch some areas, okay?
Don't worry. It's my area of specialty.
Yeah, that is all.
By the time I'm done with the massage, you want to do more.
Blink your eyes, let me see. This is good. Yeah.
So, okay, let me massage you. Maybe by the end of the massage, you have strength for more action.
Not today, maybe.
Mamma mia. Queen? You know I'm bound not to give you money, number, or take yours.
Same here. I'm bound not to collect money from you, your number, not to talk of giving you mine.
But you know, though I'm not under any oath to that effect,
neither do I sign any document to that favor.
Smart girl. That's what you are.
Now condoms. You see them?
No, not touch my bum.
Eating now. What's it doing here?
Now,
where now? Where is the
complimentary card?
I
Where the money now?
No money.
Guy, how's the movement? Listen, I don't know what you guys are talking about. I demand a report at once.
See, Male. Two things are involved here. You see that information you gave us is something like see Morocco, see Spain. Or maybe the girl played a smart one on us.
Are you indirectly telling me that I gave you guys wrong information? Is that what you're trying to say?
Oh, madam, why you talk like this now? Madam, we followed this girl. Not be me and Ango now. We followed the girl, reach, as in from the hotel room, reach her examination point.
Bomber to bomber.
The money, even business card, we don't see. 1 naira no dey her bag, madam. We dey tell you now. We no go feel like to you now. You don't understand, madam.
Both of you are fools. On la poala. On non chawo ndiala.
Good job. Thank you. You know what to do.
Yes, of course.